6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blacks. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Let's count how many triangles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you find another triangle? 6, 7, 8, 9. Just count how many. Look, there's so many blacks there.
How many cylinders do you have? You want to count them?
You can do it. You're big enough to count.
Oh, I don't know how to count cylinders, do you?
I know to count some triangles.
Oh. Okay, go ahead.
You can count how many squares there are.
Do you see any squares?
There's somewhere behind this one. You count.
Okay, 1.
2, 3. There's some more. 4. Can you?
5. 6.
7.
What are you looking at?
The bottom of the castle is down low.
Yes, yes it is.
And the up of the castle is a triangle. The down of the castle is a rectangle. Yet I am a circle, circle. I wanna be a square. I wanna be a triangle and it's 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. I'm a triangle. I'm a rectangle. Yet my shape game is a rectangle. I am a rectangle. See, it's a rectangle like my shape game. I am a rectangle. That's what.
You do look like a rectangle.
I am not. This is a rectangle, silly.
Oh.
This two, this two, this two.
Oh, they are the rectangles. What are you?
I'm a butterfly, silly.
What kind of butterfly?
I'm a Julia butterfly. Julia's not a monarch. Julia's orange
Oh, good.
and black spots. What kind butterfly are you, Daddy?
What kind of butterfly do you think I am?
You have orange spots and you're green. What kind of butterfly?
Go look it up on your chart and tell me.
It's yay sides.
You think that one's me?
Yes, that's the green one. Has orange spots.
Is the green one a swallowtail?
Yes, it is. Swallowtail butterfly. Nice. Nice of swallowtail. It's a nicer swallowtail. And Jupiter is a Julia butterfly like me.
I thought he's a planet.
No, Jupiter is a butterfly. He can fly because he has a butterfly sticker.
Oh, I get it.
And he's a zebra swallowtail.
A zebra swallowtail. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Do you think they're still doing construction on the street?
in it. They have to fix, but there's one more man working on it.
I see. What do you think they're putting under the street?
Flan. Women is flag. You can sit in that big boat to watch.
I don't think I'll fit in this boat.
This is a big boat. It's a big boat.
You can fit in it.
I can, but I need help putting something there.
What do you need over there?
No, over here. Because that's a broken spot.
It is broken. Do you have anything? Do you have a tool that could fix that?
Something in my backpack. There's something in my backpack. There's something in my backpack.
Really? What would you have that would fix that?
It's a Band-Aid.
Oh, that would definitely keep the boat from sinking.
I put a Band-Aid on there.
There, all repaired. Done.
I'll put Jupiter in there so Jupiter cannot sink. There's a Band-Aid.
Good.